smoky Volvo on the way here. Oh yeah, Volvo. Good evening everybody, welcome to Auto Corner, and today we are actually probably doing nothing important, but we're gonna drive some cars and enjoy the beautiful night here in Sweden. It's Corona time and we have an AMG which will solve all the Corona problems around the world. Yes, that's what we're doing today here on Auto Corner. Audi Quattro där. Det bara press the throttle all the way down. Happy driver. M5. M5 E39. Probably the best BMW M5 ever made. Showing some love to the M5. Giving it some new fresh oil. And this thing brings oil like crazy.
Att de inte tar bort det här. Så man har lite mer utrymme att jobba med. Är den här en nya?
Vad fan har de gjort med... Jaha, det var så.
Och du ser själv här, praktisk placering.
Så ska det vara.
Ja, gör det.
Dude, this is an Evo which looks fucking unbelievable. Let's find out this guy has a tweet with you.
You always find idiots. So here we got the guy E36 328. He has doing a wide job on it. So he's doing some fender things on it. He's wrapping this beautiful, beautiful color. Really nicely done. He has also previously done a turbo and stuff like that to E36s, which is very cool. This car looks really cool, especially with those rims. And one really cool thing that he has done is actually put the brakes from a BMW 335 E90 on the car, and the calipers and everything. And he said it was quite a hard job because well, the brakes are not really meant for that car, so you have to bracket, it's really tough to make it. But we're going to do the service on the M5 and some other things, so this will be fun.
And then we got the legendary this car. 700 plus horsepower. Went through 2 engines actually, but this one works.
Something's about to happen, but I don't know what.
Oh, come on! I want the cheeseburgers.
Olle. Ja, Olle är inte här för mig.
Done, M5 is serviced and done. Now let's drive a bit. Oh, so mad! Stå posto. First time in 3 years that we drive all the cars at the same time actually. So every time when we bought these cars, some car was broken, but now all of them works, and it feels great actually. It feels great. that was that. Very nice night here in central Jönköping, where it's like the calmest city ever. This is like the city center. It's like, it's super duper calm. But what I forgot to film actually when I was about to leave my friend, we was driving around in a parking space, in a parking under like a building, and a security guy came. And we actually talked to him in like 1.5 hours, just chilling there and just talking about life with him. Really, really nice guy. He was like 60 years old, just basically enjoying life. But hope you like this video. I'll be going to bed. See you some other times.